Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. Sorry for not uploading last few days. I was a bit bedridden with the old Aussie flu. Still got a little bit of it here, but yeah, moving on and pushing forward. Still, you know, back on my feet now. And thanks for all the comments, all the little remedies down below that people have been posting and stuff. Still been reading the comments, and we're just gonna play a bit of catch up now. To be fair, guys, I've never really had a flu like it. It's really weird, man. It's like really sticky flu. Like, you go sleep, you know, with flu usually you go sleep and you wake up and it's gone. But this time, you go sleep, you wake up, you sit up, and then it still feels like it's there, man. It's like, it's not quite, for me, it wasn't quite aches and shivers and bone ache and all that, but it was just like feeling like I just want to lie down and just do nothing, man. It was just really weird. So that's it, guys. So let's get into it. Time to catch up, get back into the swing. Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we are going to talk about connecting my Akai S3200 to the Apollo. Now, I've had to think through this and also read some of your comments as well. I'm going to get a loom connected from here to here, so I have to go over to see my friend Gulam over at Pro Leads and see if I can get a loom off of him. I need sort of a loom that's got about 10 wires, one from 10 wires, and I'm going to try and wire them straight into there, because my plan is now to wire out from here into here and then out of this into my fireface. So in theory I'm going to use the mixer, because this Apollo quad comes with a real good bit of mixing software. Let's just call this up quickly, and it's like a console. And if you look here, it's loading now. See, I can feed the Akai analog 1 to whatever through here. Now it's also got ADATs. Now I know I've got the digital board which is installed on my Akai, so potentially, yeah, I could even see if that digital I/O thing actually sends out 8 outputs, which I doubt. Now someone mentioned you know, that we can do it via SPDIF. Now SPDIF, yeah, that's a good idea too, but I'm actually using SPDIF for the DAT machine at the moment, and as you can see here, it's not easy access. I am thinking about stringing up a patch bay. I got a patch bay that Blind Beggar gave me a little while back, so I'm going to get this patch bay and I'm going to string that up. So I'm going to need some patch leads, and I'm going to connect the back of the Akai round to the round in the back of here, and then I'm going to connect the back of the Apollo and then label it all up with, hopefully, my little brother labeler. Now I'm not selling this product, yeah, but this is a really cool piece of kit. You literally just type out your name on here, and you can use it for cable ties. You type out the name of the thing you want, press print, comes out nice and neat. And if your handwriting is real crappy like mine, it does you the world of good, yeah, because sometimes I can write my own handwriting and I can't even read. When I go to read it back, I'm so lazy of making it look good that you know, I can't even read some of it sometimes. So that label printer works perfectly for me, mate, perfectly. Oh yeah, and also, guys, I got hold of an Adaptec SCSI card, but it's got one of these weird SCSI flipping things here. Now these are a different size. Let me just pop you down there, dude. Right, these are a different size to these. This is slightly bigger. I don't even know what SCSI that is. SCSI 1 or 2 or something. That's some small SCSI. And I don't think that doesn't even fit. No, it's way bigger. So who knows what SCSI that is? This card here is an Adaptec SCSI 39160. Anyone using one of these? I've ordered a different SCSI card, which was a 2940 AU, because I read on an Akai forum that people are using that with Akai. So that could be a good shout. Sorry about the focus, people. And another little treasure mine. I picked up this one. This is a Easy SCSI drive internal. Now I've got a load of these SCSI discs, as you can see. That came with a load of SCSI discs, but I've got all these Akai SCSIs. Now, sod's law. Hear the cry, yeah. All these are full up 135 meg. Look, there's joke stuff, blah blah blah, stuff that I've been working on from day dot. Now, I was talking to TDK the other day, who spent nearly every day in the studio with me back in the day. But shout out to you, bruv. Now, he pointed out to me that all these zip drives are EMU, so we would need to get an EMU sampler or some way of converting these to EMU. I'm hoping when I get round to connecting up my SCSI zip drive, I can then make a CD-ROM of them, EMU CD, so get some sort of disk imaging software. Now the problem is, at the moment, all the disk imaging software that I know only works on Windows 7 and that sort of stuff. The Windows XP operating system version of all these flipping things don't seem to work properly. My one for sure doesn't want to know, so I'm under a bit of pressure. So let's go into announcing another winner from the What's in the Box video. Comment down below if you want to win a t-shirt, and put your size. Make sure you subscribe, because I will be giving away a t-shirt in almost every video now. So random lucky winner is going to be picked shortly.
Yes, guys, so just wanted to say thank you for all the comments. I'm feeling much better today, a lot more recovered from the old Aussie flu. Still hanging in there with it, but yeah. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get into the random lucky winner for a hoodie this time. Okay, so here we go. So press start. And the winner is Matthew Cornwell. This one goes out to you, mate. He says, glad you got the Akai disc going, mate. Please make videos showing us what's on discs and how you extract and archive the old sounds. I will be taking a great interest in this. I'm guessing there's an Akai S3200 XL in the box. I hope to see a Busy Bee Akai tutorial too. I own an Akai S3200 XL and it just sits there as I have no idea how to use it and can't find any tutorials anywhere. So yes, guys, we will definitely be having a dabble at doing that. I'm about 20+ years rusty in using the Akai, but yeah, I'm going to get back into it and show you some little workflows and discoverings on that. So that's it, guys, for now. Please get in contact Matthew Cornwell on the busybeescience@gmail.com. Take care, God bless, peace.